afternoon. Hope so you all are fine and very good. Yes, now ask me, what about you, ma'am? Yes, I am also fine. Thank you so much. So everyone, today we will do exercise of chapter number 6. We will write question and answer in your notebook. Okay? So please take out your notebook, pencil and eraser. Hurry up. Hurry up everyone. Okay. First we will do prayer. So please stand up, join your hands, close your eyes and repeat after me. Say loudly. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. One more time we will repeat this prayer. Turn your hands, eyes closed. Repeat after me. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Slowly open your eyes. Rub your hands. Just keep in your eyes, then feel relaxed. Okay. So everyone, please take out your notebook. Write down CW and today's date. Hurry up. Sorry. Write down CW and today's date. Chapter number 6. Hurry up everyone. Start writing out with me. First letter always come in capital. Write down the question. Question C. Question C. Start WRITE, right? Take one finger distance. After the word you have to take one finger distance. हर एक वर्ड के बाद आपको एक फिंगर का गैप छोड़ के ही लिखना है. ओके? Right here safe. SAFE safe. Or UNSAFE safe, unsafe. For the see, if you have no space, use your next line. I have also no space, that's why I use this line. Write your following. FOLLOW write fast. Number 1, making. 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 Take one finger distance. Making a Q. Q-U-E-U-E. Each and every letter you have to say and write. Making a Q at the bus stop. At the bus stop. Full stop. Now go to the next line. Write down the answer. Now tell me, making a queue at the bus stop, it is safe or unsafe? Yes, give me answer. It is safe or unsafe? Making a queue at the bus stop. आपको लाइन से खड़े रहना है, आपको भीड़ बना के खड़े रहना है वहाँ पे? It is safe or unsafe? Yes, very good. Right answer. Write down the answer here. Safe. Write down the spelling of safe. First letter is capital S-A-F-E. Safe. So this is your number 1 answer. Have you completed? Hurry up. Okay, now I am going to rub this. Next, write down number 2. Number 2. Playing with sharp things. Write here P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. You have to say and write like this. Playing. Take one finger distance. With. W-I-T-H. With. Sharp. S-H-A-R-P. Sharp. Things. T-H-I-N-G-S. Things. Playing with sharp things. Now go to the next line. Write down the answer. It is safe or unsafe for us? Can we play with the sharp things? जो नोकदार चीजें होती हैं जिससे हाथ कट सकता है, आपको चोट लग सकती है, ऐसी चीजों के साथ आपको खेलना है क्या? No. It is safe or unsafe? It is unsafe for us. So write down the answer. Unsafe. Write here U-N-S-A-F-E. Unsafe. This is your answer. Hurry up. If you want to take a screenshot, hurry up. Now go to the next line, write down number 3. Right, number 3. Walking on the road. W-A-L-K-I-N-G. Walking. Take 1 meter distance after the word. On the road. It is safe or unsafe for us walking on the road? Can we walking on the road? No, it is unsafe for us. So write down the answer. U-N-S-A-F-E. Unsafe. Walking on the road. This is unsafe. Have you completed? Hurry up. Okay, now I am going to rub this. Write down number 4. Number 4. Taking medicines on your own. टेकिंग मेडिसिन ऑन योर ओन. आपको खुद से कोई भी मेडिसिन उठा के खाना है क्या? नो. इट इज सेफ और अनसेफ? इट इज अनसेफ फॉर अस. सो राइट डाउन द आंसर. U-N-S-A-F-E. Unsafe. Hurry up. Have you completed? Now I am going to rub this. Write down number 5. Go to the next line. Number 5. Write it P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing with. Take 1 meter distance. With match boxes. Playing with matchboxes. आपको खेलना है matchbox से. It is safe or unsafe for us? Tell me. Which is the correct answer? Safe or unsafe? Very good. Write down the answer. Unsafe. Write here UNSAFE. Unsafe. Very good. Have you completed? Hurry up. I am going to rub this. If you have no space, use your next line or use your next page. Write down the answer of these questions. Now see. Next question, question number D. It's already complete in your book. No need to write in your notebook. Okay. Now write down question number E. Answer the following questions. Okay. Write with me. Question number E. Answer ANSWER. Answer D. Take 1 finger distance. Following FOLLOWING. Following questions. QUESTIONS. Answer the following questions. Okay. Go to the next line. Write down number 1. Write here number 1. First question is, where do you cross the road? Where do you cross? CROSS. Cross the road. Road. Question mark. This is the question. Where do you cross the road? Tell me the answer. We cross the road at the zebra crossing. We cross the road at the zebra crossing. So write down the answer. Use your next line. Write down the answer. Right here. We cross the. After these words, take 1 finger distance. At the zebra. Crossing. CROSSING. Zebra crossing. Full stop. After this answer, leave one line. एक लाइन को लिव करना है इस आंसर के बाद. Write down number 2. Second question. Right here. How many HOW? How? Take one finger distance. How many colors? COLOURS. How many colors are there in the traffic light? TRAFFIC. Traffic light. LIGHT. Here put the question mark. How many colors are there in the traffic light? How many colors? There are 3 colors. Have you completed? Now I am going to rub this. If you want, take a screenshot. So, write down the answer of question number 2. THERE. There. Take one finger distance. There are 3 colors. THRE. 3 colors in the. If you have no space, use your next line. Traffic light. TRAFFIC. Traffic light. Write down question number 3. Leave one line. After this answer, leave one line. Write down number 3. इसके बाद एक लाइन को लिख करना है. Write down number 3. What is FIRST first aid? Question mark. What is first aid? First aid means क्या होता है? That I told you. The immediate medical help to an injured person is called first aid. Very good. Write down the answer. The IMMEDIAT immediate medical help to an INJURED injured person person is called full stop. Okay, have you completed? Okay, so your homework is you have to read and learn the question and answer of chapter number 6. Okay, this is your homework. So everyone, bye bye. See you tomorrow. We will meet in our next lecture. Okay, bye. Take care of yourself. Keep smiling. If you want to take a screenshot of this answers. Okay. Now bye bye.